วัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Tingly Thai Cooking School. Today I will show to you how to cook Panaeng Gai or is a Panaeng Curry with chicken. Okay, this is for the ingredient is for the Panaeng Curry with chicken. The first one that we have this one for the kaffir leaf, this one, and this one for the pea eggplant. Yeah. And the next one for the red spur chili. Yeah. For the seasoning, they have for the palm sugar, yeah, this one, and also for the fish sauce, yeah, this one for the chicken, and this one Panaeng curry pad with curry pork, that's one, and this one for the coconut cream, yeah, this one, and this one for the coconut milk, yeah. Okay, before we start the cooking, the first one let me prepare for the ingredient and then we go to inside to the kitchen. Turn, and then for the be present the aroma. That's one. And this one for the pea eggplant, yeah, that's one. This one for the red spur chili. You can slide that. Okay, already done, and then just let it go. Okay, now we have already prepared that one, and then we start the cooking. The first one we will turn on the gas. Is over medium heat. Yeah, that's one. And then we put the cooking oil about 1 tablespoon. For the Panaeng curry pad, the 2 spoons as well. Yeah, until the fragrance and then we add for the coconut cream. Yeah. And then we stir fry that one. We will stir fry until the fragrance, and also for that is for the oil separate on the surface. That's right. Yeah. Okay, now already that's one. Yeah, that's one. And then we put the chicken. Yeah, that's one. And we stir fry until for the chicken is the green color. That's one.